In this video, I will be showing you how to install Obsidian on Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Obsidian. We'll be having the official link obsidian.md. Just click here, and here we are having Get Obsidian for Windows, and they are also having for many other operating system. So I will just click here, and here we are having download for Windows. We can simply click on download for Windows. The download will be getting started. This is around 282 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the Obsidian setup. I will just go with the only me option. Click on next. This is going to be the default location. If you want to change it, click on browse and change it. I'm fine with this. I will just click on install. We can just check run Obsidian and click on finish. Here we can select the language of our choice. We're having a quick start, or else we can open a folder as our vault. I'll just click on create, and we can just have a name for it. I'll just have demo and choose a location. Just click on create, and that's it. We can start using it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.